Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis. I did it on Friday, so that's where these orange and green line annotations are coming from, and they definitely both pertain to the chart, especially the orange line right here, which is what I talked about as the resistance trend line. And you know, right out the get-go, you can see that the price made a nice move this morning and then was rejected right there at that level. And then you fast forward to this afternoon, and you can see that the bulls are able to push through that orange line right there. And then after they push through it, you know, the rest is history. The final 30 minutes, you can see the volume came pouring in, and then the price, you know, continued up very nicely. So the big question going forward is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls getting ready to ramp things up and take things to a whole new level? Now, I realize I just totally, used broad general statements. Is this the start of something bigger? You know, are they about to ramp things up? What does that even mean? Well, that's the cool thing with charts. You can, you can quantify and assign numbers to broad statements. So what am I talking about in terms of getting continuation, and is this the start of something bigger? And that is where the previous highs come into play and this former area of resistance. So there's no doubt about it. The bulls are working on coming back to life. But to me, 0047 now is going to be a very telling level. Telling because of why? Well, if this late day breakout has genuine power behind it, well, the price is going to keep on breaking out. Now, I'm not saying this has to go up to 2 cents or anything, but the price is going to show continuation. And I'm defining continuation as getting up above 0047 and then starting to get some closes above it. Now, again, if the price doesn't break above 0047, does that mean the chart's a total failure? Does that mean the total chart's ruined? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that right now, the very logical question that people are asking, and again, rightfully so, it's super logical, is in regards to this right here. Is this the start of something bigger? Is this move going to get continuation? Well, let's measure continuation as up there around 0047 and how the price reacts with this, around and within that area. So no doubt about it, nice strong way to close out the day today. And like I said, let's see if this is the start of something bigger or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.